Stop a sneeze dead in its tracks by pressing your tongue to the roof of your mouth. Yes, you can actually interrupt the reflex that triggers it. Sneezes often come uninvited and at the worst possible times, but with this simple trick, you can regain control. This method works by targeting the trigeminal nerve, which is key in the sneezing reflex, effectively short-circuiting the process before it takes over. No need for awkward pre-sneeze faces or scrambling for tissues. It's like having a secret off switch for your nose. So next time you feel that tickle creeping up, give it a try and amaze yourself with a newfound superpower. Keep this in your back pocket for your next important meeting or quiet moment in a crowded place, and watch as you master the art of subtlety and control.